How to recover your deleted Snapchat photos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can recover your deleted Snapchat photos. Now, open the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see on the top left of your screen. Now, head over to settings by tapping on the settings icon that you can find on the top right of your screen and scroll down until the very end of your screen. Now, as you scroll down, you can find an option called My Data just below the option Save Logged In Info or just above the option Log Out. Now, click here and it will ask you to enter your email. Now, as you can see, you can enter your username or email of the account that you want to recover your photos from. Now, if you type in your email, and the next thing is it will ask you for your password. Now, if you enter your password, you will get an option to recover your deleted photos or your data of your whole Snapchat account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment below if you have any further issues.